put your minced meat in your oil like that. Add our tomatoes, the hoho, capsicum, our carrots, we put our green peas, potatoes. This is mix everything.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out.
You go okay? Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Have a nice lunchtime, depending the time and the country you're watching me from. Please share, please subscribe. For those who have done so, thank you so much. May God bless you. Go through my videos, choose a video, pick a video, please watch, share, like, and I'll be so grateful. So today we are going to have a new vlog, and it's all about minced meat. I'm going to prepare minced meat here, and I decided to prepare it with you. We're going to have wet minced meat. You can take it with rice, you can take it with chapati, you can take it with the spaghetti, whichever way you feel it, it's good to go. So welcome my people, and thank you so much for supporting your girl here. So let us do this. For my ingredients, I have Irish potato here. I have Irish potato here. I have the green peas here. I have tomatoes here. I have my chopped carrots here. I have my onions here. I have my coriander here. And I have my green pepper here, which is called hoho, or it's called capsicum. Yeah. So let us do this, my people, and you are welcome. Please subscribe. Please subscribe, my guys. Please subscribe. Let us do this. First, you wash your gas or your meko, whatever you're using to cook. And then you, in your pot, put your oil, enough oil. That's enough. And then you put your minced meat inside. Put your minced meat in your oil like that. You should be careful because the oil is hot. Oil is hot. So you should be very careful. So you leave it for some time. You cover. You make sure you cover it. Make sure you cover it for some time. Let it simmer, drain water that it has, and then we'll continue from there. So let us wait for 4 minutes, and then we check it. So let us check on our meat. It is after 3 minutes. This is after 3 minutes, guys. So you have to stir in for your minced meat to separate. As you all know, minced meat, if you are not careful, it can hold each other. They be like stone. So you have to stir in to make it separate. Mami, mana unaenda wapi? Date. Kuna boyfriend. Edit. Jadi sio hiyo mambo ya editing. Kaka ni rangi vitu vinaye. So as you can see here, now we put our onions. It's time to add our onions. Add our onions. Umtengeneze uso. Like that. Let them simmer for a little bit, and then we will put our tomatoes. Pepe nimefika nini? Pepa uso ndio unataka na mtu afuate uso wako hivi. Sio. Mtabi inaanza kunywa chai. Chukua lingine. Our tomatoes. The tomatoes, we add hoho, capsicum, green capsicum here. Put our carrots, chopped carrots. We put our green peas. Then we put our potatoes. This is Irish potato. Then you stir. Mix everything like that. Mix everything like that. Then you add your salt. Add your salt. And this is herbal salt. Mix it. Make sure everything is even for the good results. Mix it very well. You can add any spices. If you love spices, you can do so. So as for me, I have pepper, but because of my kids, I'll not put this. So I'll put I'm going to put this. Going to put this and cubes and beef. Hey, hii nini inaitwanga aje? Kwani nilitupa karatasi yake. This, I think, in know what, chili. beef chili. We'll put 3 cubes and that. But for the cubes, red cubes, we'll put it when it's almost ready. Right now, I'm going to add these two. I'm going to add this and this. So you take your bowl, remove this like this. This is beef chili something. This like that. You put it on your bowl or a cup like that. And then we add this. This is some mixture of turmeric, beef masala, put it there, then add water. Add water. And then mix it very well. That. Then put it in our mix like that, and mix it. Mix it very well. Then add water. You add water and then you cover it and let it simmer. So let us wait for 30 minutes to allow the green peas and the Irish potato to cook. So let us wait for 30 minutes. So guys, let us check. This is after 30 minutes. We had to allow the green peas and the potatoes to cook, and they are fine. So you put off your fire, and then it's time to put this. Put on your fire, and then you put this. And then before I add this, I'm going to taste the salt and the spices that I had already put in. I'm going to taste that one first, because you can add this and then the spices become too much. Yeah, they are good. No need of this. So our minced meat stew is ready. Our minced meat stew is ready. Minced meat is ready. Very ready. Yummy. It's very, very ready. Can see. You see? So this spoon here. You see? You can now take this with the spaghetti. You can take it with the chapati or rice. You are good to go. So that is it, my people. That is it, my people. So easy to make, easy to prepare, lunchtime or dinner time, and make your family happy, grateful. Bye bye, wherever you are. Be happy wherever you are. May God protect you. See you in the next video. See.